Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to save Razorpay donations to Google Sheets for NGOs. So let's suppose I'm running an NGO and I'm receiving all the donation with the help of Razorpay. Now I want that whenever I receive a new donation, all the details should be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Doing this manually will consume a lot of time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Razorpay and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to receive a new donation or a new payment in my Razorpay, all the details will be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to save Razorpay donation details to Google Sheets for NGOs using Pabbly Connect. For this, we are going to create automation between Razorpay and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I am going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as Save Razorpay donations to Google Sheets for NGOs, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created, and here I am going to select this as Razorpay automation and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to save Razorpay donations to Google Sheets for NGO, which means whenever I am going to receive a new payment from Razorpay, the details will be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet, which means whenever I am going to receive a new payment in Razorpay, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I am going to receive a new payment from Razorpay and then action says do this, then add that to Google Sheets. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Razorpay, and then in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets. In my trigger application, let's quickly take Razorpay. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this payment captured. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So reading the type task, I'm going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Razorpay. So this is the app dashboard of Razorpay. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I have this option of developers. So I'm going to open this. Now as soon as I open this, on the top I can find this webhooks option. So if I open this, I have this option of add new webhook. So I'm going to open this, and over here you can see this option of webhook URL. So I need to copy and paste this webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow, and then I have to provide the random secret, and after that I have to select my active events or the payment events. So it is payment captured. As soon as the payment is captured, this workflow should be triggered. So I've selected my active events and simply click on this create webhook, and here webhook saved successfully. I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow in my Razorpay, and now whenever I'm going to do a new payment or receive a new payment, this complete workflow here will get triggered. Over here we can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, which means I need to do a test payment. And for that, I'm going to open my Razorpay. As soon as I do the payment, I should receive the response. I'm quickly going to open the page for which I want to do the payment. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on this payment pages, and this is the particular page by the name Humanity Cross Borders. So I'm going to copy the link to this and paste it in a new tab and then open this. Here I'm going to select the donation, then I enter the amount. Then here I have entered rest of the details, and then I'm simply going to click on this pay 1100. So here it is going to ask me about my payment method. I'm going to select it as UPI. I'm going to enter my UPI ID and simply click on this verify and pay. So here the payment will be confirmed within a few seconds. Let's wait, and here the payment has been successful. I've successfully done the payment, and now I'm going to open my workflow, and here we can see that instantly we have received the response. The name was new user, email address was new@pablitudes.com, phone number was this, and the rest of the details. As soon as I have done the payment, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup that we have created between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new payment, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive a new payment, I want to add that detail to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So then in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action event, I'm going to select it as add new row and then click on connect. Now here, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on add new connection and then click on the sign in with Google, after which you need to choose an account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets. After that you do that, you have to simply grant away the permissions because your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I am going to select the existing connection and then go with save, as I've created this connection multiple times. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect and I have to enter these details. First I'm going to select my spreadsheet, and the name of my spreadsheet is donation for NGO, so I have selected that. You will see that it will automatically detect the sheet number, and then I'm going to enter these details. Now over here I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the data from Razorpay, and here I'm going to enter the full name, which is new user, and then I'm going to enter the email address, which is new@pablitudes.com, and then I'm going to enter the amount, which is this one, and then I'm going to enter the contact, which is this one, and then I'm going to enter the payment ID. Now here I have received the payment entity ID, so I'm going to enter that. You can add more fields and add the details whatever you have received. As this is a test account and a test page, I have received these details, so I have entered that. Now before you click on save and send test request, what you can do, you can click on this add action step button, and then you can choose your condition filter, where you can filter the condition. Like you can see, that we have added the webhook URL in Razorpay and it is applicable to all the payment pages, and whenever the payment will be done for all these pages, I'm going to capture the response. But I want a response for this particular page only, Humanity Cross Borders. So what I can do, I can filter the values and then click on connect. I can select the label and then put the filter type as equal to, which means whenever the label is equal to the value, only then this workflow should run. So here I have received the payment for, I'm just giving you the example amount. So this label is 1100, filter type is equal to, and then the value is this. Here I have received the response in this format. I'm going to show you this once. This is the amount which I have received because JSON does not support the decimal value and I received the response without the decimal value. So here we have done the payment for 1100 and here it is showing 1,10,000. So I have entered that. And now when I click on the save and send test request, you will see the condition is true, which means whenever the label will be equal to this value, only then this workflow will run. You can add or condition or and condition according to your choice and preference. For now, I am going to remove this because I have done the payment according to my choice. 1100 was the donation amount according to my own choice and not the payment amount. So here for now I have removed that. And over here you can see that in amount I have entered this 1,10,000. So now we are going to format this. I'm going to click on this add action step button and then I'm going to select my action application as number formatter, and in my action event I'm going to select it as perform math operation and then click on connect. Now over here I need to enter the number. Now as you know now that what we are going to enter over here, it is 1,10,000 and then in the operation I am going to divide this. Over here in the help desk it is written that whatever value you want to perform the operation with, put comma and then enter that value. So I am going to divide this by 100 and then simply click on save and send test request. You will see that I have received this amount for which I have made the payment, and now I am going to remove this and then enter that particular amount. So here I have entered all these details. I am simply going to click on save and send test request, and here I have received the response and this response is a positive one. I am going to open my Google Sheet spreadsheet and here it is. The name is new user, email address is new@pablitudes.com. Amount was this, contact number is this, payment ID is this. So here I have received the response. All the details which I wanted to capture are here. So now to summarize, we took Razorpay as a trigger application where we have done the payment, and after that we want to add all these details of this donation, the payments, to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. So I have made the connection with Pabbly Connect and added all the details from my Razorpay to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Razorpay and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.